Hi guys, today let's talk about Z790 Lightning Wi-Fi and 790i Lightning Wi-Fi. So what is the difference? Okay, so firstly, let's talk about form factor. So this is 8 layer PCB and this is okay almost this mini ATX form factor, mini ITX form factor, but that is the advanced 2OZ copper PCB. Unique features: PCI 5th generations. This is also PCI's 5th generation for the graphic card. Dual channel DDR5 dual channel. 16 plus 1 plus power phase. 14 plus power. 14 plus 1 plus power phase. Ultra fast connectivity for the LAN 2.5 GB per second. This is also same. And this is for the Wi-Fi. This is a version AX 802.11ax and same 6E and 6E. Now talk about the CPU. So supports 15th, 14, 13 and 20 generation Intel Core processor, and socket number is LGA 1700. So this is also same support Intel Hyper technology, and this is basic. Intent Turbo Boot Max 3.0 same. Now talk about the chipset. So chipsets the same, memory dual channel DDR5 max topology, and this is the same. So in this motherboard Z790 lighting Wi-Fi in 4 socket for the RAM DDR5, and in this 2 socket. Okay, support DDR5 non ECC. This also support non ECC. Max capability 19 limitations 192 GB, and that is GB 96 only. CPU 1x PCE 5.0 x16 slot, and this is 5.0, this is same. Chipset 1 PCI 4.0 16, this is not there in this. 2x PCI 3.0 1 slot, this is also not there in this Wi-Fi. This is there 1x2 M.2 socket, M.2 socket. Now let's talk about the graphic card. Intel X graphic card architecture 12th generation. Okay. That is advanced. Okay, let's talk. One port EDP 1.4 support max resolutions full HD 60 gigabyte. Okay, this port is not there in this. HDMI 2.1 TMDS compatible support SDCP 2.3 and max resolutions up to 4K 60 gigahertz. That is a 8K and 60 gigahertz, 50 gigahertz, 120 gigahertz also support in this. Audio 7.1 LAN. So this is turbo speed to 2.5, and that is a 10 Mbps, 100 Mbps, 1 GB per second. This is also supported this. Wi-Fi, this is the range. So Wi-Fi frequency and Wi-Fi version it is same supporting. So real panel means your front panel of the side. 2x antenna port. This is their PCI mouse, PCS2 mouse keyboard port. This port is not there. It's old type port. One HDMI port same. 2 port 3.2 generations 2 type port. USB 2. So one LAN port and one LAN port. That is the basics. This is storage for the M.2 socket, which is supporting hard disk, which hard disk supporting on that motherboard. Hyper M.2 socket M.21 key support type 2260 PCI Gen 464 64 for chipset M.2 226 PCI 4x4 for the chipset. Okay, so one hyper, so same version. So in this support the 2260 and also in this 2280 only support type 2280 PCI for X. Okay, in this motherboard 2260 is it not support, only 2280. If you purchase in this motherboard, so you can try this one also and this one also. So 6x SATA 6 point, and that is a 3x SATA. This is converter, so that is not important like this, you can check. And this is bio 128 MB, and this is same software and online. This is supporting Windows, both same Windows 60 10 64 bit and 11 64 bit. So thank you guys.